Happy birthday! For Dexy's lunch today, we have, drum roll please, cutest baby ever. It's my first time actually, and I've never tried doing anything like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Dexy's third birthday and I decided to vlog because why not? I need to capture memory of this day because it is cute. Today I'm going to start off the vlog by giving him a bath. I know the last vlog also I started by giving him a bath, but today it's his birthday and I want him super clean and fresh and nice, so I'm giving him a bath now. And yeah, just ignore my appearance because today's vlog is not about me, it's all about Dexy. So I'm going to bake him a cake, I'll be giving him a bath, we'll do a little photo shoot. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know, I'm just super hyper because it's his birthday and I just drank a coffee. Let's go and wish him a birthday. I already did. We already wished him happy birthday in the night, like at 12 o'clock. We are going to do it again. You guys can also wish him. Dexy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Motu. Happy birthday, Dexy. Shake hand. Shake hand day. Thombya. The birthday boy is resting in his comfy bed. Yay! Dex too. Gav karto hai. He's still a little wet / damp because we don't use any air dryer or hair dryer for drying his body. We just pat him once or twice with the cloth and then we let him air dry himself. Aww. Aww, Dexy. For Dexy's lunch today, we have, drum roll please, अंडा. अंडा कोण खाणार आहे? अंडा कोण खाणार आहे? मी खाणार आहे की तू खाणार आहेस अंडा? तू खाणार आहे अंडा? वाव, चल अंडा खाऊया. चल 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 अंडा खाऊया. चल चल चल, लेट्स गो. Okay, so it is I guess 3 o'clock and I am about to bake a cake for Dexy, and here are some ingredients. I actually watched a few videos and I searched online how to make cakes for dogs using chicken because Dexy loves chicken, banana, eggs, and I'm going to combine all of them and like try to make a good cake for him which is healthy and yummy for him. I don't know if it's eatable for humans. We'll see that. I don't think it is. I won't even try because I just won't. So in the recipe which I saw online, they are using basically oats but which are grinded, and some people are using flour, but I don't want to use flour and I don't have oats, so I'm thinking that I'll grind some of his biscuits. I have his biscuits and I'm going to grind them so that it helps binding the chicken and yeah, all of that stuff, and it will help it bake. It's my first time actually, and I've never tried doing anything like this, so wish me luck. Let's get started. I won't show more of my face because it's not that pretty today, because look, I don't know, let's just not comment on our appearance, let's just focus on our skills. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I don't know where to put you guys. Okay, wait, I think I'll put you here. Okay, so first of all, I have some chicken keema, which is minced chicken, and I'm not going to use the whole packet because I need the chicken for some other stuff, so I'll use only keema. So I guess I need to wash it first. Oh my god, this smells disgusting. Ew. I love eating chicken, but I hate touching. I'm going to use this to remove the excess water. I'm washing my hands using the soap and tying my hair because I don't want to touch my hair with chicken fingers. Yeah, this is better. And ignore my pan. I know it's a bit weird looking thingy and the fit is weird. I don't know what is with this. झालं, it's okay, झालं. It looks like this right now, which is very good for a cake. Like, I guess I did right. Dexy, चांगलं वाटतंय तुला? Smell येतोय का? The oven is preheating, so we will have to wait for that. Till then, I'll wipe this and grease it. Where is the cloth? Grease the cake pan with some vegetable oil. I'm super nervous. I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope it works. A Dexy update, he is sleeping. It's his afternoon nap sesh. He's not sleeping on his bed because I don't know why. Guys, I think the cake is ready. I just heard a beep and I opened it. So wait. Oh, okay. I think it's done. What do you guys think? Let's try. Oh, dude. Oh my god. I can feel it. I can feel that it's done. I'm not able to digest the fact that I just made a cake, a dog cake out of chicken, egg and what? Biscuit ka chura. Okay, I hope it's tasty. Dexy, तुलाच द्यायचं कारण मी तर टेस्ट नाही करू शकत तुझ्यासाठी. Sorry. Since I opened the oven, he's been like, he knows something has been cooking for him. Dexy, cake खाणार का? तू केक खाणार का? हो खाणार. Baby, cutest baby ever. Even Dexy can smell it. That's why he's been running behind me. He knows that I have something for him and he's gonna get it soon. Look at his white daddy. Aww. ओके आय शोड इट टू माय मॉम अँड शी डिडंट रिॲक्ट. देणार आहे तुझ्यासाठीच आहे. काय झालं? किती आहे? आय थिंक यू कॅन स्मेल द एग्स. देणार आहे तुलाच देणार आहे. गरम येते. I have kept the cake in the kitchen because I need it to cool down ASAP because I can't wait for this little munchkin to taste it. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?